welcome back to my channel. And today is Down Syndrome Day, so yay! Happy Down Syndrome Day. All you have to do is pick some socks out. They don't have to be matching. They could be like nature match, they can be matching, colorful, all that stuff. So yeah, anyways, my mom has been dropping me lately because she has a sneezing problem. So you might see me get dropped in this video, it doesn't matter, but it hurts really bad. I already have bruises on me, and my mom says she gets me ice cream for every time that she drops me. But for a clip right now, she's making me and my sister macaroni and cheese, so I'll give you a clip of her making it. Bye! So yeah, I just showed you a clip of her. So yeah, now we're gonna go check what she's doing. Okay, so first we need to open the door. Use my hand or my foot to open the door. So yeah, and then we close it. Okay, let's go check what she's doing. Hey, Mom! Yes, sweetie? What are you doing? You're still making macaroni? Yeah, matter of fact, come here. What have you been doing? I saw you just came in from outside, right? Yeah? Okay. Let's go walk around for a second, because I have to go get something. Achoo! Oh no, are you okay? Are you okay? No! You dropped me again! Oh no, are there any bruises on you? Oh no, check your legs, your feet, your knees, your eyes, your nose, your lips. Okay. Your head. Okay. Alright, I'm sorry. Don't worry about it, I'm sorry. Let's go get some, put you in your bed for now. Macaroni? Yeah. Wait, never mind, no. Okay, I'll go in there. I should have dropped this girl. I didn't mean to. Check on this. Hey, do you want any macaroni? Yeah! Okay. She can't have us. She's just gonna have to have the one I pre-made for her. So let me go give this to her. Here you go, sweetie. Make sure you eat it up while I go eat mine. I don't know how I'm gonna eat this. I don't have no fork, no nothing. Guess I'll just eat it by hand. That was yummy. Hon, are you finished? Yeah, I'm finished. Okay, just a sec. I'll come and get your plate from you, and then we go get ice cream, okay? Okay. Wow, you really were hungry. Let me take this for you, and then I'll come back to get you, and we go get ice cream, okay? Yes, guys, I'm so excited. But I also hurt. Okay, let me go get her so we can go get the ice cream. Alright, you ready, Sugar Plum? Yeah. Alright, come on, let's go. First, I have to get my wallet. Alright, let's go to the car. Da, 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 da. Alright.